Have you ever wondered why snakes shed their skin? Or why they flick their tongues in and out? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of snakes, uncovering some lesser-known facts about these slithering creatures. Did you know that snakes are one of the oldest species on Earth? They first appeared around 100 million years ago during the Cretaceous period. That's right, snakes were slithering around when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. And speaking of slithering, have you ever pondered how snakes move? They use their scales and muscles to push against the ground and propel themselves forward. This is called lateral undulation. It's not just a fancy term, it is the most common form of movement for snakes, and it's quite a sight to behold. Now let's delve into the reason why snakes shed their skin. Unlike humans who constantly shed skin cells, snakes do it all at once. This process, known as ecdysis, occurs as the snake grows, since their skin doesn't grow with them. A snake will shed its skin anywhere from a few times a year to a few times a month, depending on its growth rate and environmental factors. Next, consider the snake's tongue. It's not there just to look menacing. Snakes use their forked tongues to smell. By flicking their tongues in and out, they pick up tiny chemical particles in the air, which they then analyze using a special organ in their mouth. This is how snakes taste their environment and find their prey. Did you know that snakes have a sixth sense? They sense vibrations in the ground. This helps them detect prey and predators. This ability, combined with their exceptional smell and heat-detecting capabilities, makes snakes incredibly efficient hunters. But not all snakes are carnivores. In fact, the tentacled snake from Southeast Asia feeds exclusively on fish. It uses its body to mimic the movements of a worm to lure its prey. Finally, let's dispel a common myth. Not all snakes are venomous. In fact, out of the approximately 3,000 species of snakes in the world, only around 600 are venomous. Most snakes prefer to use constriction, squeezing their prey until it suffocates, as their method of hunting. So, today we've learned that snakes are ancient creatures, having been around since the time of the dinosaurs. They move using a method called lateral undulation and shed their skin to allow for growth. Snakes use their forked tongues to smell and have a sixth sense that allows them to detect vibrations. Not all snakes are venomous, and some, like the tentacled snake, have unique hunting methods. Snakes are truly fascinating creatures, full of surprises and far more complex than most people realize. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem, controlling pests and providing a food source for other animals. So, next time you see a snake, remember, there's more to them than meets the eye.